Hello and welcome back to the CodeMaven screencast. My name is Gabor Sabo, and this time we are going to talk about downloading and installing Git. We have a separate video specifically for Windows users. Here I'm just giving you some overview. There are the slides are on this location, so codemaven.com/slides/git intro. If you follow that link, then you will see this third entry here is the Git installation, where you can see a couple of notes. So if you're using some kind of Linux system, then it's either apt based or yum based. If it's something like an Ubuntu or Debian, then it's using apt. So you probably will use apt-get install git core to install it. Of course, you need to prefix this with sudo in order to be able to install the package. If you're using something like Red Hat or CentOS, then you probably use the yum-based system, which is yum install. Again, git core is the name of the package probably. In both cases, you could actually use download it from git SCM, but I think my recommendation is usually so. My recommendation is to use the standard package management system of your distribution. Of course, if you have really old Linux, well, then you probably should upgrade your Linux. Anyway, still probably you need to use this. Probably you're better off using the one that comes packaged with your distribution. On Windows, there's a separate video, but in point for Windows, I definitely would use the Git SCM distribution. So I'll just open it here. So you see this is like the home of Git, and if you scroll down there is a link to download things, and then you can pick your operating system. So you, as I mentioned, you can use it to download to Linux as well, which I not that recommend, but for Windows it's definitely. But check out the other video. For Mac OS, you can also use the Git SCM as mentioned. So I go back to this. There is the Mac OS version. You can click on that, and then it will offer you to download the version for Mac OS. I think it automatically even started, which I don't really need here. But there too, probably a better way is to follow, the better path to follow is to install first of all Homebrew if you don't have it, and then use the brew install git command. So Homebrew, in case you don't know it, is it's called Homebrew. It's called brew.sh. Is a tool for specifically for Mac in that's like apt-get or yum for the package for Linux. It's a tool to install all kind of open source projects, and you will probably need a lot more tools than just Git. So that's why it's probably better to use the Homebrew to install stuff instead of using downloading Git SCM. So basically that's it. For Windows users, there you have a special, an extra video where you should go through the steps, and that's it for now.